Welcome to another edition of IMO Sports with Pedro Justice. Man, Jamel Hearing has tested positive for coronavirus for the second time. First time in June, canceled his July 2nd fight, and now right before his July 14th fight, Tuesday, he's tested positive again. And he's just surprised by this. He wanted to fight. He quarantined himself. He said he did everything that he needed to do in order to be ready for this. And it happened again. So maybe it could be someone who's around him in his camp, possibly, or if he went somewhere. I feel bad for him because he was really looking forward to this fight. His team wanted to make it a 10-round fight, and he urged them and demanded that it be 12 rounds because he's a champion. He wants to go out there and give the opponent an opportunity to win his belt. I know that his strength and conditioning, all those things weren't at 100% yet, but he was working towards it. So he worked really hard this second time around. So I feel bad for Jamel. I mean, Jamel, if you saw the training videos of him, he was going in. He is a boxer who is focused. He has a kind heart, a good personality, a family man, a role model. And to see this happen to him, I feel for him. I hope that he can come back from this. Maybe this time they should postpone it a little longer, and everybody around him needs to be tested, and he needs to be in like a bubble situation right up until it's time to fight, because we don't want to see this for a third time. Let me know what you think about this. Jamel, we're praying for you. Let me know what you think. Until next time, it's Pedro Justice.